Hello, I want to talk to you about the evening primrose. Everybody wonders why primrose is called evening primrose. Let me show you the top of these. Everywhere you see a rounded shoot leaf, there'll be a bloom just as soon as the sun sets. Not many nurseries has the real evening primrose, but we have them at tnursery.net. They start blooming right after sundown, and they bloom till about 7 a.m. in the morning. That's where they get their name, evening primrose. They bloom a delicate, soft pastel yellow color, and each shoot has a bloom. You can pick the blooms off these primrose and take them in your house, and if there's a lot of light, they will close up. This is one of the most unique native plants that we sell at tnursery.net. They're field grown. We cannot plant enough, they sell so quick. We probably have 600 left in this block, but they are a top seller because of their uniqueness. You can look those up on Google. Common primrose, evening primrose, yellow primrose. Read about them. They're very interesting. For those people who have night jobs, you don't get to see beauty in the day. But for the people that works in the daytime, you can plant those around your patio. And if you have mild lights, you can see beautiful blooms in the evening and at night. It's hard to believe that these plants really does this, but when we started growing those a few years ago, we realized that they really hold true to their name. They're evening bloomers, evening primrose. You can get these at tnursery.net.